I'm calling the Lagos State Governor to release our brother. Enough is enough for all those things you people are doing to Igbos. Enough is enough for all this wickedness.
At the resumption of proceedings in the ongoing trial of Izindi Bovajawe Estate, Lagos, Frederick Nwajagu, third prosecution witness, a civil servant, Raulat Ibrahim, testified before Justice Yetunde Adesoya. Led in evidence by the Director of Public Prosecution, Babajide Martins, Ibrahim said Izindi Igbo is not a recognized chieftaincy title in Lagos. At a previous hearing, second prosecution witness in the matter, the investigating police officer admitted to Ibrahim's statement that the defendant was never issued a certificate recognized by the Lagos State government as a title holder. He added that the defendant had recorded a video that went viral on social media, where he was indicating intention to shut down Lagos State by bringing in indigents of Biafra to protect the Igbo community. The second defendant said the video brought fear and tension to the people of Lagos, as it was made during the period of the 2023 general elections. Nwajagu was arrested by operatives of the Department of State Services after making the viral video, allegedly threatening to invite members of IPOB to secure properties of Igbos in the state. He had applied for bail in July 2023 but was denied and has remained in detention for the past 9 months.
We are going to apply for bail on the basis of that he has been investigated. They said so today, and they found nothing incriminating, which is the police. They have also testified and said they found nothing incriminating. It's for the judge to decide the meaning of that evidence.
According to the state government, Nwajagu's offences contravene Section 403 of the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2015 and Sections 12A, 18, 21, 29 of the Terrorism Act 2022. Justice Yetunde Adesoya adjourned the case to the 29th of January 2024. Chiamaka Uche.
I'm calling the Lagos State Governor to release our brother. Since presidential election, where some Yorubas are tormenting Igbos in Lagos, destroying their businesses, burning their businesses because of Igbos said they will vote for Peter Obi, and they are persecuting Igbo in Lagos. The evidence is there, and this our brother stood up, said that he will invited IPOP from this east to Lagos to protect the business of Igbos, though he made a mistake. And since then, Lagos State Governor not release this man. And I know that this man have been apologized. They refuse. But Fulani herdsmen have been slaughtering people in your Yoruba land. What have you people done to Fulani herdsmen? And you people are there. Some pro-teachers are saying that Yoruba land we giving to Fulani. How many of you have arrested those pro-teachers that have been said that you people should give Fulani land in all the land we want to get for Yoruba land? Una arrest this man because this man is Igbo. Una arrest this man because the man is Igbo. All the Yorubas that are persecuting Igbos, threatening them during the election. And you governors are there, seeing your brothers, your sisters, persecuting Igbos, threatening them because they will vote for Peter Obi, and you did not do anything to them. Now, because of this man said that he will invite his brothers to protect their business, and he made a mistake, and you people still hold him till today. But all your brothers and your sisters that are burning Igbo market, beating them, you don't do anything. You know me, you keep quiet. You people are very wicked. If say this man is a Fulani man, I know 1 week una go release him. 1 week you go release him because he's an Igbo man. That is why you are still holding him till today. In this country called Nigeria, when I go arrest Fulani herdsmen and the Boko Haram, under 1 week when I go release them, call the repentance Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen. But look at this innocent man, businessman. You still hold him till today. But if na Boko Haram or Fulani herdsmen, when I go release them immediately, may God help us for this country called Nigeria. And I'm calling all the Igbos in Lagos. You people should know what to do about this situation.